Well, I am at the coast. I'm at my cottage and I have been pouring flotation foam into my boat. So last weekend I was here. I cut holes or plugs out of the deck. It's hollow underneath there because I wanted to fill it with flotation foam, and I have done that. So it's curing pretty quick. I think a little bit later today I will be able to put those plugs back in, clean up the deck from the overflow, and get some fiberglass covering that. There's rain in the forecast for tomorrow, so I would like to get those holes plugged. You know, if for whatever reason I couldn't, and I don't think that will happen, and it rained the way that it is right now, the foam is coming out. It's making those kind of mushroom shapes as it comes out of the holes, and that stuff is, for right now, kind of water impervious. I'm not worried about it soaking up anything sitting on top of the deck like that for a short period of time. But this will allow me a peace of mind to leave this boat on a mooring, because with flotation in the hull and with the bilge pump there in the stern, if it rains, it rains. If it's a hurricane, I'm going to pull the boat out and I'll have warning. If there's, a rainstorm and it gets water in it, this is going to float. The bilge pump is going to pump the water out, and I'm going to be fine. I'm going to feel a lot better having this boat on the mooring. So, success.